The GE Profile UltraFast combo presents a redesigned approach to home laundry by combining washing and drying capabilities into a single, highly convenient appliance. This 2-in-1 machine can complete a full wash, automatic transfer, and drying cycle in roughly 2 hours, making it a strong solution for users seeking both efficiency and reduced household workload. Its intuitive digital control panel simplifies operation, while its performance remains impressive in cleaning tests, managing large laundry batches without excessive tangling and keeping fabrics smooth. The unit integrates several smart features, including an app that delivers real-time cycle progress updates and an automatic detergent dispensing system that ensures the correct amount is used for each load. To help maintain long-term freshness, the washer incorporates microban technology, designed to inhibit odor-causing bacteria inside the drum. Its capacity is generous enough for most households, though not the largest available among competitors. Despite its higher price point, the UltraFast combo effectively replaces both a traditional washer and dryer, offering substantial value through its space-saving compact form. This makes it particularly well-suited for apartments, small homes, or laundry areas where space is limited. Its thoughtful design meets rising consumer demand for compact, multifunctional appliances that simplify chores and enhance everyday efficiency without compromising cleaning results. The LG WashTower Laundry Center is a modern space-saving solution that enhances home laundry with advanced automation and intelligent fabric care. This integrated washer-dryer unit uses AI sensors to detect fabric texture, soil level, and load size, automatically adjusting wash and dry cycles to protect garments while delivering strong cleaning performance. Through the LG ThinQ app, users can remotely start, stop, and monitor cycles, receive notifications, and even allow the washer to communicate directly with the dryer so it can prepare the appropriate settings for the incoming load. The model comes with an electric dryer by default, though a gas option is available for an additional cost, giving households flexibility based on their utility setup. Unlike traditional stacked but separate washer and dryer pairs, the WashTower is a single unified system, which simplifies installation and offers a streamlined cohesive design, but also means that if one component fails, the entire unit must be replaced. Its centrally positioned control panel is easy to reach, making loading and unloading more comfortable, especially for shorter users. The WashTower includes convenient extras such as a steam refresh function to revive lightly worn items without a full wash, and the system can learn frequently used cycles to simplify routine laundry tasks. With its blend of smart features, efficient performance, and a sleek vertical form factor that fits well into tight spaces, the LG WashTower is an appealing choice for modern homes that prioritize both convenience and space optimization. The Maytag Pet Pro Top Load Washer is purpose-built to address one of the most frustrating laundry challenges for pet owners: stubborn pet hair. Designed with practicality and power in mind, it features a dedicated Pet Pro cycle that uses strong water flow combined with targeted agitation to effectively loosen hair from fabrics. What sets this washer apart is its removable pet hair filter, integrated directly into the center agitator, which captures fur during the wash. After the cycle ends, users simply remove and clean the filter, making maintenance quick and straightforward. The washer's spacious 4.7 cubic foot drum easily accommodates large hair-covered items such as blankets, pet beds, and bulky bedding, making it well-suited for households with multiple pets. While wash cycles tend to run slightly longer than standard machines, this trade-off results in noticeably superior cleaning performance, successfully removing embedded hair without damaging or roughening fabrics. Despite its powerful action, the washer remains gentle enough for everyday clothing, balancing durability with fabric care. The straightforward top-load design and focus on real-world pet-related messes make it especially appealing to users who prioritize function over flashy smart features. Overall, the Maytag Pet Pro Washer stands out as a reliable, high-performing appliance engineered specifically for pet-friendly homes. Its combination of effective hair removal, large capacity, and easy maintenance makes it one of the best options available for anyone tired of fur-covered laundry and looking for a durable, no-nonsense solution to keep clothes clean and fresh. The Samsung Bespoke Ultra-Capacity Smart Front Load Washer blends advanced cleaning performance with premium design, making it a standout choice for modern households that value both efficiency and aesthetics. At the core of its performance is OptiWash technology, which automatically senses soil levels and adjusts wash time, water usage, and detergent to deliver optimal results without guesswork. Through integration with the SmartThings app, users can remotely start and schedule cycles, receive real-time notifications when laundry is finished, and monitor performance from anywhere. Over time, the washer learns user preferences, adapting settings to provide consistent personalized cleaning while operating at impressively low noise levels. Hygiene and maintenance are also well addressed, with an antimicrobial drum that helps prevent odor buildup, and a Self-Clean Plus feature that alerts users when it's time to run a cleaning cycle, ensuring long-term freshness and reliability. The washer pairs seamlessly with a matching Samsung dryer, which can be installed either stacked or side by side for flexible laundry room layouts. When stacked, the dryer can even be controlled directly from the washer's control panel, enhancing convenience and accessibility. As part of Samsung's Bespoke series, this washer-dryer set emphasizes customization and visual appeal, offering elegant finishes such as brushed navy, emerald green, and silver steel. With its combination of smart automation, large capacity, quiet operation, and refined styling, the Samsung Bespoke ultra-capacity washer is well-suited for busy households seeking powerful performance wrapped in a sophisticated, design-forward package that elevates the entire laundry space. The GE Profile UltraFresh Vent System Plus washer is engineered to solve one of the most common frustrations associated with front-load machines, lingering moisture and the resulting musty odor. Its standout feature is a built-in smart venting system that automatically activates after a wash cycle, drying both the interior drum and the door seal to prevent moisture buildup. The system works by pulling in fresh air while intermittently spinning the drum, ensuring thorough drying without user intervention. To further enhance hygiene, critical components such as the door gasket and detergent dispenser drawer are treated with microban technology, which helps inhibit the growth of mold and odor-causing bacteria. After a complete vent cycle, the washer's interior and seal remain fully dry, significantly reducing the chance of unpleasant smells over time. The main drawback is that the venting process takes up to 8 hours, making it most practical to run overnight, but this trade-off delivers long-term freshness and peace of mind. Beyond odor prevention, the washer offers a range of premium features, including smart detergent dispensing that automatically releases the correct amount of detergent for each load, steam cycles for deeper cleaning and wrinkle reduction, and Wi-Fi connectivity that allows users to monitor and control cycles remotely through a smartphone app. Steam cycles for deeper cleaning and wrinkle reduction, and Wi-Fi connectivity that allows users to monitor and control cycles remotely through a smartphone app. Combining advanced hygiene technology with smart convenience and strong cleaning performance, the GE Profile UltraFresh Vent System Plus stands out as one of the most technologically advanced washers available today, especially for users who prioritize cleanliness, freshness, and low-maintenance operation in their laundry routine.